Hey friends of the twins, welcome back to the channel. This is Rhonda. Let me go down here and turn this TV off. It is much too loud.
At this point, there's a bunch of people on the porch, including Rick's sister.
Okay, I am going to be cleaning out and organizing under my kitchen sink, and it is a mess. I already started. I was trying to see. Let me flip the camera. Okay, here we go. So look at that. It has gotten out of hand, and this is going to be a part of my spring cleaning. So actually, y'all, I am happy to start tackling it. And I just had like a mix of all. And so that's what today's video is going to be. And I hope to bring you more organization videos as I start to spring clean around here and get things straightened out. Now that noise that y'all hear, my husband is outside, so he's doing whatever he does out there. But we're using to get it organized over there. And what I did was I went to Home Goods and I kind of pre-measured the space. And I brought a few extras, like this is 1, 2, 3, 4 of this size. I brought some extras because I do have another area here in the kitchen where we keep like our drink, the insulated bottles, water bottles and all. I need to get that organized because it looks a hot mess also. So, and I actually love these when I saw these. I feel like I can get a lot of things stored. This is the Made Smart brand. And all of these came from Home Goods. This one was $9.99 and it's a pretty large size. So I'm hoping that it will help me to get, everything organized so that when I open that, when I go under the sink, it won't just be such a mess under there. This size here was $5.99. 13 by 9, and then we have this size, $5.99, and I'm looking for the size of this one. Oh, here it is, 14 by 8, and then this smaller one is, did I tell y'all the price of these? I think so, but anyway, $5.99, and this smaller one here is actually probably going to be used in the area where we keep our water bottles at. $3.99. That drawer or that cabinet is small. This one is a 9 by 6. And now let's talk about what I've actually done here. This container here is extra long and narrow, and it is perfect for this little area that I had, this space I had left here on the side of this riser. And it is just absolutely perfect for my dishwasher tabs. And speaking of my riser, I got this riser probably 2 years ago. And I got it from Home Goods. I really can't remember the price, but they do carry them pretty often in there. I had thought about using the stackables. I know y'all seen the stackables that you can use underneath your cabinet. But honestly, this riser, it gave me enough space, and it certainly meets my needs here. Just like here, I have all of my dishcloths stored, as well as my oven mitts, and these dish towels I actually have there's like 3 stacked on top of one another, so I have plenty of room for that. And over here I have my scrubbers and my brushes, and I actually have a little bit of room to grow back here. As we move on up here to the top, here are all of my surface cleaners for my cooktop, my smooth cooktop, my granite counters, and things such as that. My barkeeper's friend, Over here is everything that pertains to the dishes. You know, my clear liquid refills and that type of thing. And now, friends, I want to tell y'all, if you haven't tried this Dawn Power Wash, I want you to give this a try. Now, this video is not sponsored in any way. Lord knows I wish that it were, but it's not. But this is just something that I am really enjoying here in the kitchen. This is for dishes, but you can also use it like it's a great degreaser. And I've been using this to clean my countertops and my backsplash. And I am really loving it. It does a great job, and it also smells amazing. Something else, friends, that I'm really enjoying here in the kitchen is this brush. It is a brush that I use to clean my dishes. But you know, before I put them in the dishwasher. And I paid $12.99 for this. I got it off of Zulily, and I'm gonna link it down in the description box for y'all in case anyone's interested. But you screw this top off. This top here, it comes off, okay? And then you just put your dishwashing liquid inside. And when you get ready to dispense it, you mash here. It comes out there. But yeah, I am really loving this. I use this to kind of brush and clean off my dishes before I put them into the dishwasher, and I have been really enjoying this. I actually got it late last year because I know that I did because I remember giving it to my two kids that don't live here at home. I gave them these as a Christmas gift. They are $12.99, about $12.99. Sometimes you can find them a little cheaper, but this one that I have here, like I said, I will leave it linked in the description box below. Friends, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a little motivation and inspiration for your spring cleaning around your home. I'm going to be putting out more organization videos. I hope you'll be on the lookout for those. Friends, you always make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. And thanks so much for watching.